In this video, we'll be going over the different types of IT companies and what they do. You'll find out why it's important to know who you're working with, as well as how to choose an IT company for your business. This is the Flow Connect channel, and welcome to another Answering Question series. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Flow Connect channel, where we dive into new industries and new startups. With our reviews, we bring more solutions for their future. So if you want to be more informed about new businesses and new industries, this channel is for you. So consider subscribing. Today's question is, how many IT company types are there? This video is about IT companies. There are many different types, but the main ones are cloud providers, data center providers, managed service providers, MSPs, and infrastructure as a service, IaaS, vendors. At first, if you are a beginner, you need to know what is information technology, IT, is. Information technology, IT, companies provide technology services and products such as computer hardware, software, information security, consulting services, and cloud services. Let's learn more about these types of IT companies. Cloud providers. These are the companies that offer cloud computing and storage via a network of remote servers, with all data stored in the cloud. The term sometimes refers to any company that offers shared hosting services for websites or software as a service, SaaS. Data center providers. This type of company provides data center hosting for other companies and their own clients. These data center providers are sometimes called colocation vendors because they offer space inside a colocation to host computers and servers. MSPs. These types of companies provide IT support services by managing an organization's internal networks. Every company needs IT to operate smoothly, but not every business knows what type of IT it requires or how to manage it. There are many different types be consulting or managed by IT companies. It depends on the service provider. If they make equipment and sell it on the business model they use themselves, they could. If they provide services, called an original design manufacturer, then their type would be consult ODM, or managed service providers. If they manufacture equipment and sell them directly, then they could qualify as an original design manufacturer, ODM. What are the different types of IT companies? There are many, each with different characteristics and responsibilities. Here is a breakdown to help you identify them more easily. Information technology, IT, consultant. These people offer consulting services on all things related to information technology. They're usually ex-employees or graduates from major. An IT consultant provides help to a company on all of its information technology needs, such as hardware and software installation. They're usually ex-employees or graduates from major firms like IBM or HPE. Information technology, IT, engineer. These professionals design new computer systems for businesses through their work with the latest technologies to make them more efficient, effective, and secure. Usually, they have PhDs from top universities around the world, including MIT or Stanford University. Information technology, IT, contractor/freelancer. These people are contract employees who offer services related to information technology at different companies where needed on an as-is basis. So now we learn so much about what they are and what they do like. Companies in this category provide IT services to clients. They can be experts at one thing and offer many other things too. A few examples of these types are Microsoft Office 365 support, computer repair services, data recovery, and storage solutions. Now it's time how they can work together. An example is that company A might contact company B specializing in networking issues, because the former cannot solve their own problem with their network system. This way, both companies get what they need to be done without paying high costs in hiring employees themselves, so everyone wins. Information technology, IT, has become a buzzword in the business world, and it's no wonder considering today's needs and demands on large corporations and organizations across many fields around the globe. Complex networks must be maintained with security measures taken into consideration, and employees need reliable devices to carry out their responsibilities effectively. Hackers constantly seek new vulnerabilities for nefarious purposes. The possibilities go on. That's where IT comes in, whether those solutions take place at home or through an outside company that specializes in them. Information technology specialists have endless opportunities to